Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best pink hair feathers is probably one of the most versatile and eye-catching hair accessories available today, allowing you to add a pop of vibrant color and unique flair to your hairstyle without the commitment of dyeing your hair. Whether you're looking to make a bold statement for a special occasion, experiment with a fun new look, or simply add a touch of bohemian charm to your everyday style, these delicate strands offer a fantastic way to express your individuality and creativity. They are surprisingly easy to apply, often coming with small clips or micro rings, and can be blended seamlessly with your natural hair or used to create striking highlights that are sure to turn heads and spark conversations. Number 5. Hair Feathers Extensions Kit. Add a splash of vibrant color to your hair with these stunning real rooster feather extensions. They are perfect for a unique and eye-catching look. Easily transform your hairstyle with this DIY kit. It includes everything you need to apply the feathers yourself in no time. These are long, natural rooster feathers that blend beautifully with your own hair. Enjoy a touch of bohemian flair. The kit comes complete with microlink beads and a loop tool for secure and simple application. Get ready to showcase your new style. Choose from a dazzling selection of colors, including hot pink, purple, and turquoise blue. Express your individual style with these gorgeous hues. Unleash your creativity and experiment with different looks. These extensions are a fun and fashionable way to express yourself. What we like. This kit offers genuine rooster feathers in a stunning mix of hot pink, purple, and turquoise. It includes everything you need for a DIY application, making it perfect for those who want a natural look with bold colors. If you're aiming for a unique, eye-catching style and enjoy the process of creating it yourself, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The feathers are a beautiful vibrant pink color and look very natural. They are easy to apply and stay in place securely. The length is perfect for adding a subtle pop of color without being overwhelming. Number 4. Grizzly Hair Extensions, Hot Pink and Turquoise. Add a pop of vibrant color to your hair with these stunning hot pink and turquoise feather extensions. They are designed to be eye-catching and unique. Crafted from 100% real feathers, these extensions offer an authentic and natural look. You'll love how seamlessly they blend with your own hair. Easily apply these yourself with the included microlink beads. The DIY kit makes it simple to achieve a professional salon look at home. Available in lengths from 9 to 14 inches, you can choose the perfect length to complement your hairstyle. Get the look you desire with ease. Embrace a bohemian chic style with these beautiful feather extensions. They are perfect for adding a touch of flair to any outfit or occasion. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need to get started. You'll receive the feathers and all necessary application tools for a complete set. What we like. Get noticed with these extra long grizzly feathers, perfect for a dramatic boho effect. The kit provides a good amount of feathers and beads for a full application. If you desire a statement look that's both long-lasting and stylishly wild, these are the ones to go for. What people say. The feathers are a beautiful vibrant pink color and are very soft. They are easy to apply and stay in place well. The length is perfect for adding a subtle pop of color without being overwhelming. Number 3. Colorful Feather Hair Extensions. Add a splash of color to your look with these synthetic feather hair extensions. They are perfect for parties and adding a unique touch to any hairstyle. Choose from 13 vibrant colors to match your mood or outfit. These extensions are designed to be long and straight, offering a seamless blend. Transform your hair in minutes with these easy-to-use extensions. They are designed for a comfortable and secure fit, making them ideal for teens and girls. Crafted from high-quality synthetic materials, these feathers are durable and can be reused for multiple occasions. Enjoy long-lasting style and flair. Make a statement at your next party or special event. These colorful extensions are sure to turn heads and express your individual style. Whether you're a teen looking for a fun accessory or simply want to experiment with color, these extensions are a fantastic choice for anyone. What we like. These synthetic feathers offer a vast array of colors for endless creative possibilities, without using real feathers. With a large quantity included, they are ideal for parties or for teens wanting to experiment with vibrant hair colors. If you're looking for a budget-friendly, colorful, and animal-friendly option for temporary fun, these are a great pick. What people say. The feathers are a beautiful vibrant pink color and look very natural. They are easy to apply and stay in place well, even with heat styling. The length is perfect for adding a subtle pop of color without being overwhelming. Number 2. Feather hair extensions, real rooster feathers. Add a splash of color and unique style to your hair with these real rooster feather extensions. They offer a natural look and feel, perfect for expressing your individuality. These extensions come in a beautiful mix of pink, purple, and blue hues. The vibrant colors are sure to turn heads and complement any hairstyle. Get a professional salon look at home. The included silicone microlinks and loop tool make applications simple and secure, ensuring they stay in place. Crafted from 100% real rooster feathers, these extensions are designed for durability and a realistic appearance. Enjoy long-lasting beauty and style. This package includes 20 beautiful feather extensions, along with 20 silicone microlinks and a handy loop tool for immediate use. Everything you need to transform your look. What we like? Experience the beauty of 100% real rooster feathers in a classic palette of pink, purple, and blue. This set comes with the necessary microlinks and a loop tool for easy application. If you prefer authentic, high-quality feathers and a straightforward way to add a pop of color, this option is perfect for you. What people say. The feathers are beautiful and vibrant in color. They are easy to attach and stay in place well. The quality of the feathers is excellent, they feel soft and natural. Number 1. Feather hair extensions, real rooster feathers. Add a pop of color and unique style to your hair with these stunning feather extensions. Made from 100% real rooster feathers, they offer a natural and eye-catching look. These extensions come in a beautiful mix of long pink, purple, and grizzly colors. They are perfect for creating a vibrant and personalized hairstyle. The pack includes 20 feathers, along with 20 silicone microlinks and a handy loop tool. This makes application quick and simple, allowing you to achieve a professional look at home. Instantly elevate your hairstyle with these unique and colorful additions. They are perfect for festivals, parties, or just adding a touch of flair to your everyday look. Crafted from genuine rooster feathers, these extensions are designed for durability and a realistic appearance. Enjoy a touch of nature's beauty in your hair. What we like? This option features genuine rooster feathers with a unique grizzly color variation alongside pink, purple, and blue. It includes the essential tools for a smooth application process. If you love the natural feel of real feathers and are looking for a touch of edgy, natural texture, this set is a fantastic choice. What people say. The feathers are a beautiful vibrant pink color and are very soft to the touch. They are easy to attach to the hair and stay in place well. The length of the feathers is perfect for adding a subtle pop of color without being overwhelming. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.